In this video, we will show you how to redeem a 7-day free trial on Crunchyroll. If you guys want to get started with Crunchyroll, you can use the links down in the description. First, navigate to the Crunchyroll website on your browser. Here, find and click Try Free Premium option on the top. It offers a fan plan at 280 PKR per month, a mega fan plan at 350 PKR per month, and also a mega fan plan 3500 PKR per year. Now, choose any of the plans and click Start a 7-day free trial. To do this, you need to create an account. Then enter your email address and set password for your account. Make sure to accept the privacy policy and click Create account. You'll be directed to the final step of the trial. After that, enter the required details including your card number, expirations, CVV, postal code, and country. Once you are done, start the free trial and enjoy. So that's how to redeem a 7-day free trial on Crunchyroll. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Crunchyroll. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.